Hi, welcome all. I'm here to show you how you can fix a sole to a upper after you finish lasting, and this is the type of sole I'm going to use. I'm going to show you how you can fix it very well to avoid moving from the shoe. So this is the last process in this part of work. And before you apply a gum on this type of rubber sole, this particular place used to be shiny like this part, so you have to like scrape it, use some paper or something so that it will be like this. And the reason why you have to scrape it is for your gum to be able to stick to it so that it will catch your shoe very well. This is the type of gum we are going to use. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub it or apply to it thoroughly and very well to make sure every places that I need it to hold the shoe, gum touch it. Make sure you rub it well, because this process and taking care of this process will make your shoe to be more quality and to attach to the sole to attach to the shoe very well. You can see how I am reapplying it, just for me to get a good result. I'm done with that. This will follow. This after I apply my glue to the sole and to the upper, and now what remains is to heat it using stove or my gas or anything that can give you heat. This is my gas. I have my gas. So okay, so now I'm going to heat the sole and the upper at a time, so that I'm going to fix it together. And I don't have sole presser machine, so I'll show you how you can do it without using a sole presser machine. You set it well, make it fit inside very well, and you set the tip and then the side too. So I use each of my table place it everywhere. Even like this is okay, but I'm going to use hammer again to give it more reinforcement. That's all. So I'm going to repeat this process to the other leg. Take care of the tip, the sides. And then you place it. And then use hammer. You have to do it quickly because of the heat. Without the heat, the sole is not going to attach to the paper. This is it. Now I'll allow it to be cold. Then I will remove the last from the sole or from the shoe. So now I'm going to pull out the last from the shoe. I use this iron. Do the same to the other leg. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.